Welcome to the Youjuvenator demo. I am Doc J, and I'll just be giving you a brief showing of how Youjuvenator actually works and how it can actually work for you. Here you have what's called power affirmations. This is the area that you actually select your subconscious and conscious affirmations from. So you basically click on this area here. If you click there, you would outline all the categories, and then everything that's in the database would flash. But for now, we're going to work with just certain particular categories that we want to install. So let's, as an example, take this first category. This is self-development, and under the self-development category, you have several different things. So let's work with let's work with positive thinking as an example. In positive thinking, you have many different suggestions here. You just take the one you like. All my thoughts are positive, so we'll select that one. I can find something positive in any situation. Let's select that one for now. And then let's go into confidence. I am now as confident and assertive. Okay, so let's select that one because we're trying to build confidence in our personality. I am now courageous and brave, so we'll select that one as an example. Let's go to spiritual. I now have access to all my spiritual gifts. That sounds like a great attribute to have. And I am now one with my higher self. Let's take that one. And let's go into the area of dieting, because I'm sure that we can all help have better diets. I'm sure all of us are in a situation where we can eat better, step by step, one step at a time. So let's say I love to eat lots of green vegetables and fruits, so we'll select that one. And the other one is I'm able to decline food without feeling guilty. So if people are pushing food at you all the time, you're able to decline food without feeling guilty. And then we'll just do one more category just so I can show you how it works. Let's go to health and healing. Let's do my body is healing and regenerating itself every day, and I'm healthy in every way. Let's do that. Okay, so once you've selected the power affirmations, and there's many different categories, as you can see here, the long list of categories, and as we go along, we will upload new categories and new programs into the system while you have it, so you'll always have new categories always coming in and new programs that you can always use. But for now, we're going to just show you those. And let's go to the next is the settings. This is where you choose your settings as to how long you're going to run the program for, whether you're going to do it for 1 minute, 30 minutes, or indefinitely. And of course, time between suggestions. So every time a suggestion or a power affirmation comes up, the space or time between before the next one comes up, you can choose. So for right now, we have 5 seconds between different suggestions. Okay, you can choose. If you're gonna flash it towards the subconscious mind, then you choose something that's gonna flash a little faster, right? We recommend the highest setting for subconscious, but for now we're at 5 seconds. This is for the conscious mind. This is so you can actually see, feel, read, and intake exactly what you're programming into your mind. So the duration of how long the power affirmation will last on your screen, we also have set at 5 seconds. You can have it set at 10 seconds, or if you only want it to last 3 seconds, it's totally up to you. But for now, let's just use 5 seconds, okay? On this side here, we have the size of the text, which will let you know how large you want the text to appear as you adjust the size. Normally, I keep it right around here so everything fits. Opacity is how bright you want it to show up. See, as I do this, it fades out. Okay, so we like it to be bright so we can see it. The position of where you want the text, the flashing to happen. It can happen in the top left. I normally use top left and top right. So you can have it random so it flashes anywhere you want to. Top left, top center, top right, bottom center, bottom left, center of the screen. If you have a preference, you can do it. I normally use top left. This is the background color. See this color here? It's the background that the text is going to be on. So I normally use yellow because it shows up best for me, but you can choose from a variety of different backgrounds. Okay, you can choose from a variety of different backgrounds here, because color also affects the mind, affects the emotions, And as we move further into the study of Youjuvenator, we'll show you which colors you can use for different things that you'd like to install or remove from your personality. And of course, so you select your background. I normally use yellow. And here is the color of the text. It's blue right now. You can select it to be blue, or you can select it to be brown, black, green. Same again, colors also affect the mind and personality and of course emotions. And you can choose the right color to go along with the ingredient you're trying to install or uninstall. And as you get further in the workbook with Youjuvenator, you'll learn about the colors and which colors you may want to use. But for now, let's use the yellow background, and let me use sort of a violet blue text. Okay, and what comes next is, this is called README. It's what you do here is, this just contains some information about the Youjuvenator, and then it has what's called the Youjuvenator Activator. So it just says Youjuvenator is the most powerful subliminal affirmation software available on the market today. You now have access to a super powerful application that can actually change your behavior from the inside out, improving your life in every area you desire, automatically starting right now. Youjuvenator supports images as well as MP3s. It's a complete system for changing your life starting today. Just say the Youjuvenator Activator, choose your settings, and get started. MP3, for instance, if you want to use MP3, you could click here. If you click this, it'll open up your computer, and you can upload an MP3. There's several that come with our program, different tones, alpha waves, beta, delta, all the different brain wave states, ohm chants and so forth that come along, so you can click it and upload it, so while it's flashing, you're also listening on your headphones or headset to the tones as well that you can upload into Youjuvenator here. Here you have what's called the activator, and we suggest that when you first get it, you say this just to activate Youjuvenator, so it's working in sequence and in cohesion with your subconscious mind. So it's sort of a you're sort of integrating the two, the application and your mind together, and giving an instruction to work for you. So what the Youjuvenator Activator will say, and you say this, every time I use Youjuvenator, I will know that I am getting better and better in every way. My conscious and subconscious mind will accept these positive affirmations, and I know that every day, in every way, I am getting better and better. I will improve in all areas of my life. The more I use Youjuvenator, I will feel better and better. Every day, in every way, I am getting better and better. So that is the Youjuvenator Activator. You can say it just before you start it, when you first get it, or just before every session if you want to say it, just to reintegrate the subconscious mind with Youjuvenator. You can go ahead and do that. It's not a must for it to work, but it does help by giving the subconscious mind those commands. Once you've done that, this is the play button. You hit this button here and you're ready to go. Your affirmation will start to flash. So let's go ahead and hit the play button. And it's working for you. Now, what I'm going to do is just bring the window up so you can see that the affirmations it's flashing right here. I am healthy in every way. This will flash every 5 seconds because that's how I adjusted it, right? And every 5 seconds, it will show you the affirmation. This is when you're just sitting and taking the positive affirmation. This is where you're taking it to the conscious mind, where you can actually feel, know exactly what you're saying, exactly what you're working towards. And you feel these in your thoughts, in your mind, in your emotion, in your cells. So you consciously know that you're moving towards these particular attributes in your personality traits, okay? I am now confident and assertive. I am now confident and assertive. I am now confident and assertive. Every 5 seconds, those will flash. Right? Now, the great thing about Youjuvenator is, if you want to, say as an example, now when you're going towards your subconscious mind, all you simply would do is go to settings, and you would just speed it up. Speed it up to the highest setting and the highest duration of time, and see the same affirmation is now flash, where only the subconscious mind is aware of exactly what is there. The conscious mind can't really see and read it, but the subconscious mind can, and all those are now going into the unconscious mind, and this will change you over a period of time. A period of 14 to 21 days of using Youjuvenator with the conscious and subconscious affirmation programming, you'll start to feel huge differences in your personality, in your emotions, in how you feel and how you want to act. It's tremendous in terms of what you believe you become, what you say you become, and this is a work of art in terms of creating that reality for you. The good thing about Youjuvenator is that we have two settings, one that will work towards the conscious and one that will work towards the unconscious mind. So as an example, let's put it back to 5 seconds here. So I'll show you how to set this up in an advanced class of Youjuvenator, where you have the conscious mind is reading the slower conscious settings, as it's happening here, but on the other side you can have set it up where this unconscious mind, just like here, is also getting programmed at the same time. So on the left side of the screen, as an example, the conscious mind would read it, and on the right side of the screen, the unconscious mind would be able to read those. So you're programming both the conscious and the unconscious mind together, which is actually a beautiful way to go, because this way both minds are being programmed. So the only way to fail at this is not to use it. If you're using it, these power affirmations will become a part of your life, a part of your belief system. Anything that you want to do, you can achieve. The power is now in your hands, and the only way to fail is if you don't use and take advantage of the tools that you've been given. So use it as often as you can. Make it work for you. Of course, you can minimize this and take it off the screen. Make it work for you, and feel the difference, and feel the joy, and feel the change. So with that said, good luck to you all. Any questions you have about Youjuvenator, you can always contact us through support, but we're here to support you in every way. There's a workbook that comes along with it that will take you further into becoming the best version of yourself. Normally, we're giving a little trial period for you to test out and use Youjuvenator. I think the trial's about 7 days with this particular promotion. So use it in that time period. Before the 7 days are up, purchase it. We've made it affordable for everyone, that everyone can purchase it because it's so affordable. So purchase it, use it, because you need to use it for 14 to 21 days or more. And in actual fact, you should be using it on a daily basis. All the time. Stay positive, keep positive. Become the person that you deserve to be. Become the best version of yourself. Have a good one, guys, and good luck.